Hi guys, you're watching 63 Fix TV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to repair a puncture.
If you don't know what you're doing, or you need a little help, when there's no one left to turn to, and you wanna get it right, or if you wanna get the know-how for the next time that you ride, I think you should watch this how-to video guide.
Okay, so step number one, you're obviously going to need your inner tubes that have got punctures, or if it's just the one. Step number two, you're going to need your repair kit, puncture repair kit. I've got a rally repair kit I'm going to try out. Step number three, you're obviously going to need a pump. Number four, you're going to need a bucket of water. So let's go ahead and fill this up. Okay, so the first step, what you're going to need to do is locate the puncture. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your inner tube and you're going to pump it up just a little bit. Okay. Make sure no air can escape. Now, sometimes your valve can be the problem, so just dip your valve in the water and check that there's no bubbles coming from there. Okay, so we know the valve's alright. Now all you need to do is just go along, dip the inner tube in the water. As you can see, when you submerge your tube in water and you actually find the hole, you'll see loads of bubbles come up, and you can probably hear it as well. Get real close in there. Okay, so now we've located the hole, and the next step is to let out all of the air. And then we move on to the puncture repair kit. Okay, so now we've located the puncture, little hole right here. In the repair kit you get a little piece of sandpaper, which you just literally rub that down and rough up the area over the top of the puncture. Just rub it down for about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, and the next step, you'll get some rubber solution glue right here. You just put that on the area. Okay. And then from the patches, find yourself a rubber patch. Now at this stage, you can actually just blow on this just to quicken up the drying. It actually takes about 4 minutes to dry. Now, whilst that sort of is a little bit dry, we can just put that on the top there. Okay, and just hold that down, press it down really hard. Now at this stage, I thought it might be a good idea to put this in like a clamp or a vice, just to hold it down for the next sort of 5 minutes. So that's what we're going to do now. Just give that a few minutes. Let's check out the inner tube. Glued up there. Take off the excess. Yeah, it looks pretty tasty. Hot damn. Let's go and pump it up and make sure that there's no leakage of air. And there we go. no leakage of the air, and that is how you repair a puncture. And there we go, no leakage of the air, and that is how you repair a puncture. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and become a fan on the Facebook page. I'll see you guys later.